Let's take a moment to explore the story of USS Fuller, a Clemson-class destroyer launched in 1918 and named in honor of Marine Captain Edward Fuller, who was killed at Below Wood. Commissioned in early 1920, Fuller immediately headed toward the Hawaiian Islands before settling into her home port of San Diego. From there, her schedule became the typical but vital routine of a Pacific destroyer, training up and down the coastline from California to Oregon, running gunnery drills, testing torpedoes, and honing anti-aircraft skills. In early 1923, Fuller joined large-scale maneuvers near the Panama Canal zone, then returned home for more experimental firing exercises. That same year, Fuller and her division sailed north to Puget Sound for repairs and additional training. But the return trip would prove disastrous. On the foggy night of September 8, 1923, a navigational error sent an entire destroyer formation onto the treacherous rocks at Honda Point. Fuller struck the shoreline and was abandoned as the crew escaped safely. She later broke in two and sank, becoming one of the tragic losses of the Honda Point disaster. Decommissioned the following month, Fuller serves as a reminder of the dangers early destroyers faced on even routine voyages.